Namaste. The Aranyakas constitutes the philosophy behind ritual sacrifice of the ancient sacred texts, the Vedas. They represent the third layer of the Vedic texts, which are the Samhitas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, and the Upanishads. The early part of Vedas are called Samhitas, and the ritualistic commentary on the mantras and rituals are called the Brahmanas, which together are identified as karma kand, ritualistic action or sacrifice section, while Aranyakas and Upanishads are referred to as the jnana kand, meaning knowledge or spirituality section. The term Aranyak is derived from the word Aranya, meaning forest. The Aranyak texts are so called because they were works to be read in the forest. Jain in the Taittiriya Aranyaka explains, yajna and other rituals are prescribed for those who live in homes and lead the life of householders. But it has to be understood that Vedic rituals are intended to confer not only material benefits but also mental purity by constant discipline. Having obtained purity, one must seek the solitude of forests for further concentration and meditation. The Brahmanas, advocating the actual observances of the sacrifices, are meant for grihas, and the Aranyakas, containing explanations of the rituals and allegorical speculations thereon, are meant for vanaprasthas who renounce family life and reside in the forest for tap and other religious activities. These works form the basis of the rahasya or secrets discussed in the Upanishads. Therefore, another name of the Aranyakas, as mentioned in the Gopat Brahman and Manusmriti, was rahasya as well. Aranyakas are generally the concluding portions of the several Brahmans. They are partly included in the Brahmans themselves, but partly they are recognized as independent works. Aranyak literature is rather small as compared to the Brahmanas. The major contents of the Aranyakas are theosophy, that is Brahma Vidya, meditation, that is Upasana, and knowledge of breath, that is Prana Vidya. They describe the secret meaning of the sacrifice and the concept of Brahma as well. No nation, no country, no culture in this age of science has been able to produce such great truths related to the knowledge of the self and the Almighty as are mentioned in this Aranyakas. Aranyakas are generally regarded as a link between the Brahmanas and the Upanishads. Aranyakas play the role of the middle path and help to bridge the gulf between the karma kand and the jnana kand. In the Aranyakas, we find certain important geographical, historical, social and cultural points also which makes their study more significant. Various Aranyakas associated with Vedas are, we find Aitareya Aranyaka, Kaushtiki or Samkhya Aranyaka associated with Rig Veda. Yajurveda is divided into two parts, with Krishna Yajurveda, Taittiriya Aranyaka and Maitreya Aranyaka are associated, and with Shukla Yajurveda, Brihad Aranyaka is associated. With Samved, we have found various Aranyakas associated, but the major ones are Talukar or Jain Upanishad Aranyaka and Aranyak Samhita, which is actually the Purvachik of the Samved Samhita. And we do not find any surviving Aranyak of Aitareya Veda. If you want to know more about the Vedic literature, the Vedas, the Upanishads, the Brahmanas, please check the entire playlist, the Vedic literature. And if you have liked the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.